welcome back to Kayi's Corner. I'm Kayi and I hope you guys are all well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make gizzard stew. Very quick and straightforward recipe. Bienvenue sur Kayi's Corner, j'espère que vous allez bien. Moi je vais super bien. Dans cette vidéo, je vais partager la recette de sauce tomate au gésier de poulet. So here are all the ingredients we're going to need for this quick recipe. Donc voilà mes gésiers que j'ai déjà préparés. Et si vous voulez savoir comment j'ai préparé mon gésier vite fait, je vais mettre le lien de cette vidéo en bas de description. In the meantime, I'm going to start cooking my rice right here. Just a little bit of water, I'm adding some onions and a little bit of oil, a little bit of salt to taste. Cover it up. Once it's boiled, we're going to add the rice. Here is the blended tomatoes, garlic, onions and some ginger. Just cook this for 2 to 5 minutes and add the fresh ingredients and all the seasoning. Add the spring onion. In 7 minutes, the rice should be ready. Add a little bit of oil in the pot, heat it up for 3 minutes and fry the gizzard for like 5 minutes and add it to the stew. Going to add the gizzard now. Half spoon of rosemary. A little bit of salt to taste. Now our stew is ready and I'm going to serve it with the rice. Very quick and easy recipe. So comment below, what do you think about today's recipe? Do you like it? Are you going to try it? Let me know in the comment section. Alright guys, this is the end of this video. I hope you like this recipe. Please give it a try and subscribe if you're also new here. But feel free to pair this stew with any side dish of your choice. Guys, don't forget to share with family and friends and I will see you in my next video. Take care. Voilà, c'est la fin de cette vidéo. J'espère que vous avez aimé. Si c'est le cas, n'oubliez pas de liker, partager avec la famille et les amis. Abonnez-vous aussi si vous êtes nouveau sur ma chaîne. À très bientôt. Au revoir.